Hi, this is Tony from Urovo. Reliability always stands out as the foremost selection criteria when it comes to mobile device choices, since its work environment can be unpredictable and challenging. Urovo has launched multiple ultra-rugged devices that could be trusted in any harsh environments. Today, we're here to demonstrate the drop resistance performance of our flagship enterprise mobile computer DT50, along with its robust protective case. We will be using this drop test facility to simulate the scenario that the device falls from a certain height to the ground.